How to buy squAId token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before to buy this token, it's by going and checking the Index account. Now, to be able to buy this token is available in the screener. If you don't have an account, just go and create one. So this look icon mean that the liquidity or 98% here of liquidity is locked. This means that your investment in the safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token is game under Solana network. Now copy the token address and go and open your Phantom wallet. Now click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address so you can see. Now this is our token. As you can see, type here how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive. Now from here, just select the provider, for example Jupiter. Now here, this is the information of that. Make sure to read all this information here, and now click on swap and they will redirect you to Jupiter to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue on your buy process, just go back and switch the slip hash from here and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the squAId token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.